Did a lot of shit just to live this here lifestyle. Living life like a beginning, this is only the beginning.
Hi guys, hi guys, hi guys. My name is Lacosta and welcome back to my channel. Yeah. So in today's video, you guys, in today's video, you guys, I'm going to be using some deep conditioners from Garnier Fructis. If you want to see what deep conditioners I got, then just keep watching. So we have the Garnier Aloe extract. We have the Papaya extract. Then we have the Avocado extract. And lastly, we have the Coconut extract. We are starting off this party with the Garnier Fructis Damaging Repair Treatment 1 Minute Hair Mask with the Papaya extract. It is naturally derived ingredients, 98%. Yes, vegan formula. Yes, 94% biodegradable formula. No silicones, parabens, or artificial colorants. So a little bit goes a long way with these products. And as you can see, I am just going in and finger detangling before I go in with my shower comb. Because my hair was really tangled. The shampoo that I used completely dried out my hair. And it caused my hair to tangle up just a bit. So I wanted to go in and finger detangle first. Now you can completely see how that shower comb is gliding through my hair. This deep conditioner was, I was shocked. Look at the way my tangle teaser, say that 3 times really fast. Look how my tangle teaser is going through my hair. I love it. Yes. So the back left section, we are going in with the Garnier Fructis Smooth and Treat 1 Minute Hair Mask with Avocado extract. And it actually states, what does 98% naturally derived mean? We consider an ingredient to be naturally derived if it is unchanged from its natural state or has undergone processing yet still remains greater than 50% of its molecular structure from its original plant or mineral source. This formula consists of 98% naturally derived ingredients. The remaining ingredients constitute 2% of the formula to ensure its sensorality and preservation. Learn more at GarnierUSA.com. So yes, I am all for it. I mean, they are cheap products, yet they are, good ingredients. So I'm all for it. And as you can see on this side, that shower comb is just gliding through my hair. And like I said, this is a wonderful thing because my hair was so tangled from that dry shampoo that I used. The third mask we are going to be using is the Garnier Fructis Hydrating Treat 1 Minute Hair Mask. There are 3 ways to soft hydrated hair. How to use as a mask. After shampoo, apply onto wet hair and leave on for 1 minute. Rinse. As a conditioner, after shampoo, apply to hair from root to top. Rinse. As a leave-in conditioner, apply on damp hair for frizz control and lasting hydration. And on the back, it also says suitable for color-treated hair. And you guys know I am color-treated. So, again, this was another check in my book. Okay. And lastly, we have the Garnier Fructis Nourishing Treat 1 Minute Hair Mask Coconut Extract. There aren't any differences. They all state, 1 minute hair mask. The directions are all the same across the board. The No silicones, no parabens, no artificial colorants. That is across the board. So, I mean, I would just say just pick one that you think would be great for your hair type, and what your hair likes. But, you know, I recommend them all. They all felt pretty good on my hair. And then if you wait till the end, you will get a in-depth review on how I really felt about these products. We are about to start the deep conditioning process. I know that it said 1 minute, but I left this in for 15 minutes. Here I am taking off that hot head, and you guys will see exactly how my hair looked and felt with the product all seeped into my hair, or penetrated into my hair. I'm back, and I am back. All right, you guys, so I am pleasantly surprised. Pleasantly. If you hear something, my dog, he just doing his own thing, and he's not in the crate right now. He's out, so we're going to go ahead and move on. But I was pleasantly surprised, y'all. My hair is so moisturizing, like $6, 13.5 fluid ounces. Listen, Linda, okay? Listen, this right here is the bee's knees, okay? It's cheap. College students, you know, people who want fixed income, you're budgeting, y'all, and look how much. I didn't even put a dent in these deep conditioners. You can use these conditioners as a deep conditioner, a leave-in, and a conditioner. So for all of them, I felt like the consistency was around the same. The Aloe one was a little bit thinner than the rest. I felt like the Papaya and the Avocado were both very, very moisturizing. They all are moisturizing, but these two, these are the best at moisturizing. If I had to pick between one of the two, it would go to the Papaya, it would go to Avocado, then it would go to Coconut, and then it would go to the Aloe. Yeah, shocking. I really was not thinking that these deep conditioners was gonna do much for my hair. I'm not even gonna lie. I was like, $6. Yeah. Okay, I'm side-eyeing you, Garnier. But, honey, Garnier stepped up to the plate and did their thing, okay? Okay. What else? The smell. I enjoyed all the smells except for the Aloe. The Aloe smelled more like perfume. The Papaya smelled like some kind of fruity. Avocado felt fruity, of course. Coconut smelled like coconut. And then the Aloe, I don't know what they was trying to get through with the Aloe, but I was not feeling it. It smelled like perfume. So if you like perfume smells, that Aloe may be for you, but it was not for me. So if I had to put them in a best to not so best, because none of them are poor. None of them are poor. I would recommend you guys trying whichever one you want to try. Just pick one up and try it because they're cheap. $6, $5, and $5.47 or 37 cents, something like that. I'll put it on the screen, but they're cheap. I got it from Target. So yeah, but if I had to choose, number 4 would be the Aloe. Because of the smell, it was a little bit thinner. You guys know I like thicker stuff. So it really depends on you as a person, what you prefer. So that'll be 4. Coconut will be 3. I really was not feeling the coconut smell. I was not feeling it, but it did what it was supposed to do, okay? Okay. Number 3 would be the Avocado. I thoroughly enjoyed this one, you guys. It left me so moisturized. And then number 1, of course, is the Papaya. I'm gonna get me some more of these. The avocado and papaya, especially if I get to a point where I'm like, okay, y'all, I gotta cut back on these products. I can't be spending $30 on a deep conditioner. This is for you, sis. This is for you. As far as I told you guys, as a conditioner, I think they will do pretty good. They have pretty good slip. I'm not gonna say they're the best slip that I have ever used, but they have pretty good slip. They got the job done. When I was detangling my hair in the video, that was undetangled hair. That was hair that had just been shampooed with a stripping shampoo. So my hair, they got my hair like the papaya. All of them got my hair moisturized, but that papaya and that avocado, had to put it on there and it was like, ah. Yeah, the papaya and avocado did their thing. I'll go out and try this. Go out and try it, okay? Go out and try it. It's cheap. It's cheap. As far as the leave-in, I could really feel that papaya and that avocado in the back. The papaya and avocado would be some bomb leave-ins. Like, you don't have to use a lot. You can automatically feel the moisture in your hair. You're not just adding product on top of product trying to get the moisture in. No. Bomb. Okay? Okay. And as far as a mask, they did great. They did great as mask. You saw me take my hair down while my hair still had the conditioner on it. These are, I was surprised. Okay, Garnier, okay. I am so happy. So happy, okay? Like, I'm surprised. I am so surprised. So, yes, do I recommend these products? Yes, I do recommend these Garnier products, okay? Okay. Like I said, it's just up to you what you prefer. Smells, thickness, stuff like that. I would totally recommend them all. I would recommend them all. But if I had to choose, of course, I'm going to pick the papaya. Then I'm going to go with the avocado. Coconut and aloe, they weren't wow to me, but they did the job. For $5, $6, they did the job. Okay? Okay. If you have not done so, hit that subscribe button down below. Also, hit the bell notification so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Okay? Okay. Hit me down in the comments. Have you tried this Garnier Fructis deep conditioner? If you have, did you like them? Did you not like them? Let me know. Okay? Okay. Give me a big thumbs up, you guys. Give me a big thumbs up. And until next time, I'll holler at you guys later.